is up, YouTube? News Crawler here. As you can tell by the previous clips, the 2JZ is finally gone. Taken out of the car, sold, done deal. There's no turning back now. So, with the 2JZ out, it's time to get started on this M54 turbo build. So let's go ahead, let's get right into it. So with the 2JZ gone, it's only fair that we send it off in proper YouTube fashion in a montage, which will start right now. What is up, YouTube? This is Carl here. I need to rush over to Santa Fe Springs because I'm going to be picking up my new motor setup. So what we got here is a 2JZ VVTi, I believe out of an Aristo. I got the good old valve cover off, took the coil packs off, and I got most of the intake stuff off. Front end of the motor is pretty much complete. I also have some pulleys from Drift Motion. Those are all on. Ladies and gentlemen, the motor is off the stand. And just like that, the 2JZ is in. First order of business is, before I do anything, I gotta start cleaning this up because I don't want to toss a dirty engine and a dirty transmission into that engine bay. Doesn't seem too bad. I'm gonna try to take apart as little as I can, but let's get started. Just by leaning on the engine, already dirty. Alternator's off. Wanted to protect that, but look how grimy that is. This needs a lot of cleaning, all that stuff. But this side is clean for some reason. I don't know. Oh well, back to work. So in order to clean this engine, I'm going to be starting off with a couple wire brushes, some simple green, some rags. If I need to, I'm going to break out the heavy degreaser. Wow. Look how messy that is. That is messy. Holy crap. So I think that's all the time that I'm going to spend on the engine for today. Probably going to spend a little bit more time off camera just to get this thing a little bit more dialed. Although I got most of the stuff off, there's still a lot of places where I need to touch up and make it just that much better. So let's move on to the transmission, which I actually filmed previously. Good enough for me. Just gotta wipe it down with some water and then we'll be good to go. So, that is all the time I have for this video today, guys. Should have been a short video. I'd be surprised if it went over 10 minutes, but that's all I got. Just a lot of cleaning, and a lot of cleaning. Anyways, thank you guys for watching. Make sure to leave a like and all that good stuff, whatever. You guys don't need to hear that stuff. I'll see you guys in the next one.